Hi, this is Matthew May with the freeadforum.com, and today I'm going to be talking about how to make money with the freeadforum.com. I'm also going to be talking about how not to make money. But before I go any further, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I promise I will try to make it very worthwhile for you. Thank you so much. I've been getting some emails from people saying, I've posted a couple ads on your site. Where's my check? you know, and I'm kind of wondering what that's about. And I've got a number of emails like this. So apparently there's a misunderstanding. Some people think that you can just post ads on a site and just magically make money. Now, where you make money is if people actually buy your products or services, not just by posting ads. I know it may seem rather basic to some people, but I'm getting a lot of emails like this. So I thought I'd do this video. And plus, I thought I'd give you some ideas how you really can make some money with classified ads. Now, a lot of people are posting in the business opportunities section, which is the most popular section. You can say we have 319,000 here ads in the business opportunity section. And these colored ads are all ads that people have upgraded. So you can take a look here. There's a ton of ads here, and there's a ton of traffic coming here. But the problem with the business opportunity thing is a lot of people are kind of saying the same thing. 30 minutes a day is worth thousands a month, make $200 a day, already paid this much. They're just basically saying make money easily. You see here it says you can make money easily. That's kind of the theme there. And a lot of people are saying the same thing, so it's really hard to differentiate yourself from other people. Now, this traffic is getting great sight. We're at about 18,000 Alexa. I'll show you. You can see right here, this is our Alexa ranking. It varies, and it's been going up and up and up and up. And basically what this means is that we're the 18,650th site with the most traffic in the world. So out of the billions of sites that there are online, there's only 18,000 others that have more traffic. For example, if the Alexa rank was 2, you'd probably be Google or YouTube. So the lower the number, the higher the traffic you have. So we're doing really well, and we're getting more and more traffic. So the free ad forum is a great place to post your ads. But simply posting an ad is not going to get you a check. You've got to get people to buy your products and services. Now, there are a lot of things you can sell. You can go to ClickBank and get just unlimited ClickBank offers that you could post on here in all different categories, not just the business opportunity category. And I suggest you look at some other categories besides just the business opportunity category. Most people get into the business opportunity category because they're looking to make money online, so they see a make money online type of opportunity. But I like to encourage you to take a look a little bit outside that. Now, one strategy is to promote advertising services, because what do all these people need? All these people need more traffic to their website. And if you're selling services which get them that, you might have a better chance at actually making sales, and that's basically what I do. Now, for example, you could join here our classifiedsubmissions.com affiliate. So you come here and we pay 50% recurring commissions on all sales. The yearly ones are one-time fees, so you can make up to $98.50 on yearly commissions, and I pay these all the time. And this is a pretty good thing to sell because you're selling an advertising service. I mean, you think about it. People are posting ads on a classified ad site. What are they interested in? Another make money from home business opportunity? Maybe, but they definitely are interested in getting more visitors to their offer. And if you got a service which will post their ad on hundreds of different advertising pages for them without them having to do the work, that's pretty strong. And we've sold thousands and thousands of these. I literally sell memberships every single day, 365 days of the year. So, hey, it works. People do buy this a lot. So this is a proven concept because it's not expensive and it's a good service. So you could come here, you could join our affiliate program. I'll put the link in the description below. It's free to join. It's not going to cost you anything. And if you get sales, you make 50% recurring commissions. So this is one thing that you could join and promote on the freeadforum.com, and it actually be pretty targeted marketing. Now here's our affiliate tools page, and you can come here. After you sign up for the affiliate program, you can get for free, and you can get banners, all kinds of banners you can put on your blog or your website, or you can use as pictures when you upload it to the freeadforum.com. You can get sales letters, all titles, ad copy, sales letters you could put in your autoresponder series, sales letters you can use to send out to solo emails, text you can use to do in social media campaigns. We've got a lot of tools here. We even have a free ebook that you can give away, which you can rebrand in just a few clicks and give that away to your list, give that away to your group, give it away on social media. And if people click on any of the links within the ebook, you get commissions. You just sign up for the programs, put your usernames for each of the programs. You can this promotes two different affiliate programs that you can sign up for free on. You join both and you click rebrand my ebook. You're going to get an ebook like this that you can give away, you can download, and anytime anybody clicks, say for example on this banner, you're going to earn commissions. You could give away this free ebook on the freeadforum.com. Hey, free ebook on how to get more sales from classified ads. Do you think people coming to a classified ad site would be interested in learning how to get more sales from classified ads and getting a free ebook? So this is a win-win for everyone. You get this whole ebook and every single link here, not every single link, but every single link that refers to classifiedsubmissions.com and coolmarketingsoftware.com, they are coded with your links, your affiliate links. Someone clicks here, you're going to get credit if they order the classifiedsubmissions.com service. So that's one idea right there of something that you can sell on the freeadforum.com, and it's pretty targeted advertising. Like I said, there's another thing you can do. You can join the coolmarketingsoftware.com affiliate program. It's free to join. Here you go. I'll put the links to all these sign up forms where you can sign up for these affiliate programs for free in the description below. I'll put the link to this page, which gives you more information. So here you go. You can come here. You get 50% commissions on any of the paid software that you sell. We have free and paid software. You can even just send out an email and say, hey, download $597 of pro marketing software for free. If they join the newsletter, they start getting our follow-ups, and they get any of the paid software, you get commissions. We set the cookie as soon as they sign up, and even if they get a follow-up message up to a year later, you get credit. So you just join for free, and we have lots of classified ad submission software where people can submit their own ads. We even have one where they can submit ads on the freeadforum.com, both a free and a pro version. So there are all kinds of possibilities of things you could promote here that really would help people who are posting classified ads and might help you make some commissions as well. Here's another affiliate program that you could join for free that really fits in with the advertising services niche. It is realppvtraffic.com. This is just a straight up traffic service. People buy traffic and we send it to their website. It's very fast. It's straightforward. Everyone's looking for more traffic to their website. You can join for free. You send people a link, say, hey, they can get 10,000 visitors starting within 48 hours. That is a pretty strong pitch. You get 30% recurring commissions, and people I've had people stick with me over a year on this. So people do tend to stick with this for a while. A lot of people just want consistent traffic every month to their website with no hassles. That's what we provide. So you can come here, you join the program for free. You can come here, you can get promo material, you can get banners that you can put on your blog, your website. Here you go. Even a sales letter that you can use to send out some ad copy. You can use that as your classified ad. You can use the titles that we have here for titles for your classified ad, get keyword targeted traffic for the fraction of the cost of Google or Facebook. Google makes all its money by selling traffic. So if you just get a tiny bit of that market, it's pretty good. And people buy this. So get 10,000 visitors, less than 1 cent each. That's a strong pitch. People looking to promote their websites are going to be interested. We've sold a lot of packages like this, so we know it sells. We'll pay you 30% commissions, and we'll do all the delivery of the traffic. This is something you could sell on the freeadforum.com. So these are some great ideas to get you going on selling things on this classified ad site and other classified ad sites. And you're not limited to this technique. I suggest doing this and lots of other things. Start your own blog, start your own YouTube channel, develop your own community, and you can sell a number of things around advertising services. You don't have to limit yourself, but this is a good start. This is a place where you can get going. It's free to get. Everything's free to get started. It's free to sign up on the affiliate programs, and it's free to post ads on the freeadforum.com. So just so we're clear, just by posting an ad, that doesn't get you a check. That would be a great thing. It just, just doesn't work that way. But if you post an ad with something that people want and they like it and they buy it, you can get commissions and start earning. I can't guarantee you're going to make $1 million. I don't know you or your skills or your dedication. It's going to vary from person to person. We're not selling pie in the sky here. We've got some real services that you can sell. Again, doesn't cost anything to get started. We're not selling a business opportunity. There's nothing to buy. You can sign up for free. If you make sales, you make money. If you don't, you don't. And that's how that works. So I hope this gives you some ideas on how to make money on the freeadforum.com, and hope we clarified a few things. I'm going to put all the information on all these affiliate programs in the description below. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd be glad to answer them. Also, if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel, I promise to help to try to make it as worthwhile to you as possible. We have free software coming out. We have affiliate marketing tips and lots of other good stuff for you. So I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much. This is Matthew May with the freeadforum.com.